Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Pretty in Pink. So today we are going to be trying to create our own dupe of the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat lip gloss in color Hot Chocolit. So right now I'm showing you my tube of lip gloss. So I kind of already started, but you see how those are two tones? This is an old lip gloss I had that was finishing up. That's why you see one that's kind of like, I don't know, yellowish clear. And then so I was filling up the tube with my more fresh lip gloss, which is kind of a pinkish fuchsia. So what I did was I took off that little inside part of the lip gloss and I just started pouring some of my newer lip gloss into that tube. I also have an eyeshadow palette from the Dollar Tree. This lip gloss is also from the Dollar Tree. The newer pink lip gloss, I got that when I was in London. I just got it from some place. It's like $1 or $2 as well. We also have a little Publix card. It could be any kind of card, anything. We just need something to chop up the eyeshadow. I have a little wooden stick that's to take off the bubbles. And then we have this little scooper, which will be able to scoop out the pigment from the eyeshadow. And right now I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm pouring the lip gloss into the container. And when I say the little wooden stick is for popping bubbles, when I'm pouring the lipstick in the container and throughout this video, when you're seeing me try to mix in the pigment, you are going to notice that there are some bubbles that occur when that happens. So I just use a stick like right now to pop those bubbles. So now I've filled up the lip gloss container for the most part, not all the way to the top, but most of it. And now I'm just using this stick and I'm using the actual lip gloss applicator as well to try to mix it all together so that the old lip gloss and the new lip gloss will evenly mix together in the tube. So now that the lip gloss has been evenly mixed, you see me taking out the eyeshadow palette, and I also am taking out this little lip gloss glitter topper that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, that I might add to add some pops of color to the lip gloss. Right now you just see me taking a fourth from each section, each of those colors. I just took a fourth and I just kind of mushed them together with my little scooper, and then I cut them up with the credit card. And at first you can see the way I was trying to add the pigment was just by kind of dabbing it in with the applicator. Then I tried to scoop it in with the scooper, but eventually you'll see I realized that just making it into a pile and pouring it directly into the tubing is a lot easier. So once you get the pigment in, you see how I kind of mix it with the stick as well as with the actual lip gloss applicator. So the stick allows me to get all the way to the bottom, which is why I use that sometimes. So here you see me putting it into a pile, and now I'm going to kind of make a funnel with the piece of paper, and I made a little mess there. But after I make that funnel, I'm just going to pour it directly into the tube, and then I'll use the stick as well as the lip gloss applicator to fully mix in the pigment. So you can clearly see the color change here, and so this is after one round of putting in pigment. So basically I just repeated these steps 2 more times and I did 2 more rounds for the pigment. So now this is after the total of 3 rounds. So we had that first round, then remember we did it 2 more times. Now I'm just putting the cap back on and I'm putting the applicator back into the gloss. You can see the color has really changed and become like a creamy brown color. And remember, the steps are super easy. Choose a brown eyeshadow, chop it up into a fine powder, pour it into the tube and mix it in. Now let's try it out.
Hey guys, okay, so it's done. Well, not that it's done, I'm just too tired. You guys saw how messy that was. Oh my gosh, my desk is just like covered in eyeshadow. It's so messy. So I did, like I said in the voiceover, I just did 3 rounds of the pigmentation with the eyeshadow and then called it a day. I keep looking at the photo of the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat and Hot Chocolit. I've never seen this lip gloss in person before. Like, I've never seen it in person. I've never held it in my hand. I've never tried it on. I only know it from the videos, from the viral videos. Sorry, I keep looking at it. From the viral videos and stuff that everybody else has seen. So I literally have no idea how it looks or how it swatches or anything. I looked through YouTube, I found one short that showed a swatch, but it was a girl that wasn't my skin tone. She was much lighter than me, but we're still gonna try. We'll do a little swatch. I hope that's enough. Maybe I should do more. Let me do it again. Okay, let me just add to the swatch. That didn't do much. Anyway, this is a swatch for what I've got. I'm pretty sure mine is much lighter right off the bat. Hers looks darker. I keep going back and forth. Hers will look darker, and then I'll look at mine from far away and it'll look almost similar in shape, but I'm pretty sure hers is much darker. Much darker. I feel like maybe, you guys see this shade right here? You guys see this one that I didn't touch? Maybe I should have put that in there. I used this and this for contrast. I used this for contrast. This was my main color that I was most interested in. But I think maybe I should have gone in here too. Although I swatched these two on a napkin and their difference is like imperceptible. But maybe, you know, I might just, you know, I'm really tired right now. I'm like tired of like chopping up the eyelash, the eyeshadow and then putting it in here and then like I do. And then the mess gets everywhere and it's all over my hands and it's all over the desk and I'm just tired of it right now. But maybe on a day where I have some time, I might go back and like pop this open again and maybe I'll try adding some of that. I have no idea. But before I put this on, the moment of truth, I do want to say a huge shout out and a thank you to people who make makeup because this was messy and gross. So you guys who are in the lab actually putting it in the bottles and stuff, kudos, because this was very difficult. Anyway, I hope I didn't create too much anticipation. I know it's not going to look like it, but at least, you know, it's something. It was a fun activity. And maybe this video will cause the real makeup girlies, because I don't know makeup like that. I wear lip gloss and lipstick and that's it. So maybe the real makeup girlies who know shades will actually create one. And if they create one, girl, I'm gonna be there. Let me see. You guys see that? It's like nothing. I feel like it's just a regular, oh well no, I can see some pigmentation. I do see pigmentation. I hope you guys can see me. Yeah, I think you guys can see me. I do see, you know what I should do? I should compare this with regular. Okay, hold on. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this was what my lip gloss was, what it used to be when I bought it brand new. And then what you guys saw when it was like this much left was after a long time of me not knowing where it was. But anyway, so this is my little dupe, my little Fenty Gloss Bomb Hot Chocolit dupe. And then this is just a regular lip gloss that I also got from the dollar store. So we have the dupe at the bottom. And then we're gonna have the regular at the top. Do you guys see a difference? It's a little difficult because this is a brown, it's the lip gloss making that sound. It's a brown, I don't see a difference. I don't see a difference. So this is a fail. It's not pigmented enough. You know what? I gotta go back to the lab. I gotta go back to the lab. Let me see something. I'm off camera for a second. maybe I need to put a ton on. But then you shouldn't have to put a ton on. It's not pigmented enough.
Okay, so after realizing that this wasn't pigmented enough, what I ended up doing was going back to the lab. The lab is just my desk. And I ended up adding, or rather, I ended up doing one more round of pigmentation. And so after that additional round of pigmentation, I came back to record, and I was actually kind of impressed and kind of shook with the results.
Because hold on, let me let them see in case it worked. Oh, is this it? Or is this too much? Is this it? Holy crap. Is this it? You guys, is this it? Did I do it? Did I do it? I don't know if I did it. Let me not get excited. Look, even the bottle's darker than before. Let me give a swatch. Let me get a swatch. Let me get a swatch in. Let me get a swatch. Isn't that's 1,000 times darker than what I had before. You know what I did? Remember that color that I was pointing at that I never touched? I just took a half of it and I chopped it up and I put it in here. You guys. You guys. Is this not kind of it? It's kind of it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Did I let you guys see that? I don't think I let you guys see that. Hold on. The thing about this container, it doesn't let you get anything. See that there? See? But this container doesn't let you pull out a lot. I think. I mean, this may not be the dupe, but I'm saying this is it for me. Look, when I wiped my swatch off just now. Look how dark that is. I'm happy. You got, oh crap. Oh, that's unsanitary. I'm gonna have to wipe the thing. You guys. You guys. It's not perfect. Oh my gosh. But it's kind of nice, no? Hold on. Let me wash this because I just dropped it on the ground. Let me wash this and then we're also gonna try it with the glitter. Okay, so I'm applying a little bit more on. A little bit more on. And now I'm gonna put, let's just see what happens. This is the Remy Rose, the glitter topper from the Dollar Tree. I just wanna see if this can add an added layer of oh, it's like that. I don't really like it. It changes the pigmentation too much. Oh well, it adds a nice little shimmer. It does add a nice little shimmer. It has a nice little shimmer. I don't hate it. Nice little shimmer. I kind of like this. Hold on, let me switch to the handhelds because this is getting irritating. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys liked that. I'm sorry if it was disappointing. I know, I thought it would be more too, but I do like it. I do like it. This little glitter, I'm like iffy on. I do kind of like how this glitter is iridescent. I kind of like that, but I do like the lip gloss that we made, the brown lip gloss. That is cute. I've always been a clear lip gloss girl, but I do like that brown, and I'm probably gonna be utilizing it. So I hope you guys like this video. maybe in the future somebody else who actually is good at makeup and knows makeup will be able to make a really good dupe, and then maybe I'll be able to try their recipe. But in any case, if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like it, please give me a like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, sorry. Looks like I wasn't done. So if you look at this, hello, hi. So the color wasn't the problem. The fact that it wasn't glossing up the way I wanted it to was an issue. So this is still the dupe. I just added a thin layer of my gloss that you saw me working with on top. So I guess that's gonna be my my combo, my 1-2 combo. I'm gonna be putting on the dupe, then putting on a little bit of this to just add more shine to it. All right. Well, once again, are you serious? My aunt just slammed the door and now she's singing. It's okay. So once again, if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like it, please give me a like and subscribe. Bye.